channel. Today we're going to be making this fun Finding Nemo slime. This is perfect for kids and even perfect for adults if you're like me and obsessed with Disney. This is so much fun, so easy to do, and if you want to see how to get this super cool Finding Nemo slime, just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing you will need to make the slime is an Elmer's slime starter kit. You can actually purchase this at Target, and it comes with the clear Elmer's glue, magic liquid by Elmer's, 5 German pens that you can use to color your slime. Of course, you will need a dory fish and also a Nemo fish. And I also picked this up from Hobby Lobby. It's just a bunch of little starfish, also seahorses and seashells. The first thing you want to do is take your clear Elmer's glue and pour all of that into your bowl. Next, you want to take the color that you're going to use. In this case, we are using a blue glitter color. And you're going to want to squirt as much as you want into it to get your desired color. Now remember, you want to do this before adding the Elmer's magical liquid. Next, we are going to take our spatula and go ahead and mix that all together. Now we are going to go in with our magical liquid, and you're going to go ahead and pour all of that in as well.
Now stir that.
And you want to keep stirring until it becomes harder to stir. Once you see it starting to thicken, this is when you are going to add in your little items. I'm just going to take just a few. We're going to take a seahorse, starfish, a seashell, a purple one. You can do this however your little heart desires. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and continue to stir them in. Now once you see it start to get really sticky, you're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take my ring off for this point. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna start to actually knead this with your hands. It is kind of slimy and sticky at first, but we're gonna work it into a less sticky consistency. As you can see, I am just kneading this around in my hand, and it is super sticky, but you will see in just a couple of minutes how easy it is to get off. And about now, I'm actually going to add in Nemo and Dory. Really just pick them up and go ahead and work them into the slime. And you will see that it will actually start to thicken up. Now that it's starting to knead and get thicker, we are going to go ahead and put this back into our bowl. And you could probably see that your hands are covered in slime. So what you're going to do is you're actually, let's go ahead and put these little guys back in here. What you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of that slime, form it into a ball. You're actually just going to continuously stick it to the rest of the slime, and it'll pick it all up. Now, there may still be a little bit of residue on your hands. That's okay, because we have to wash our hands anyways to get all that excess stuff off. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of stir it in a little bit more. Now that it is formed into a ball, we're going to let this sit overnight. During this time, it will become like a rubber consistency. This is one that I actually made last night. It's just nice and gold. As you can see, whoops. And as you can see, this does not stick on my hands at all. So we're gonna let this go ahead and sit overnight. You're gonna wanna put a lid over it and make sure that it is nice and airtight. And we'll be back tomorrow. And there you have it. This is our final product of our Nemo slime. You can leave it in the bowl or you can pick it up and play with it. Now, it is gonna leave your hands feeling just a little sticky afterwards because of the glue, but just make sure you wash your hands afterwards. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know to make more of these. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!